Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is pork steamed buns, Chinese New Year special. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 12 ounces Chinese cabbage, finely chopped. Chinese cabbage is also called Napa cabbage. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of salt to the cabbage to mix it well and marinate it for about 10 minutes until quite a bit water, liquid, comes out. 8 biscuits, 2 ounces each and 16 ounces total. This is the kind of biscuits you can get in practically every grocery store in the US here. If you couldn't find the biscuits in your local grocery stores, then please find the video I did previously on how to make leavened dough. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups water for steaming. We're going to beat the egg. 8 ounces ground pork. We're going to marinate the pork with 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, mix well. Now we're going to add the egg and 2 green onions that have been finely chopped. Again, mix everything well. It's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, there is quite a bit water, liquid coming out. Now we're going to rinse it well and drain it well. Our cabbage has been rinsed well so that it's not salty and has been drained well. I just use hands. You can use a kitchen towel to help you if you find it easier. Now we're going to mix the pork and cabbage together. Mix well. Now everything has been mixed well. Our fillings are ready to be used. Now we are ready to make our buns. We'll have some flour here so that the biscuits won't be too sticky. Slight powder it and shake it off, and then use both hands. You can use a rolling pin. I just find this easier, less messy. Just by hand, just like that, and then start stretching just a little bit at a time so it won't be broken. And we're going to make it into a round shape about 4 inches in diameter. So it has stretched a little bit more than 4 inches. You know, they stretch back. It's about 4 inches now. And then lay down there. We're going to put about a big tablespoons of filling there and about half of the diameter, and just pick it up one end and make pleats firm so the seal is tight. Pleats, and turn and turn and turn, 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 and turn. So here is our first steam. This is the buns, we haven't steamed yet. And if you don't like the little tip, you can just simply cut it off, look a little bit better, you know, it's up to you. So this is our first bun, and we're going to follow the same process for the rest of the buns. We finished the preparation. Now we're ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 400 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or a gas stove. I am adding 4 cups water and a steaming rack, and our first batch, 4 buns. This is a wet paper towel, and you can use wet thin cloth, and or even use lettuce and to just to put at the bottom of the buns, and the 4 buns, put it apart because they're going to grow after it's done. And we're going to steam with cover on for 15 minutes. After the steam comes out, it takes about 4 minutes to come to a full steam. It's been 15 minutes since the steam started coming out. I just turned off the heat. It is done. We're going to repeat the same process with our second batch. Served hot. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.